Are you looking for easy way to change language in Facebook? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. If you are using Facebook account on your desktop and logged in, then you can change language by tapping your profile photo. After clicking your profile photo, go to Setting and Privacy. Then in second option, Language. Then you will get option for change Facebook language. Select as per your need. However, if you are unable to understand language on your screen, you can visit our guide on switching Facebook language where you will find direct link for language setting on Facebook. Tap on it. At the screen at App Language, you will find language change setting. At right, tap on it, find your suitable language and select it. However, if you stuck at login page, you can find language change setting at bottom of page. For iPhone users, you may need to visit settings, then app find Facebook. Add preferred language to change your Facebook app language. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.